Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming essentials: battery level, cable, and Ps5 system updates. Once done, plug the USB-C cable into the BeatSolo 4 and into a Ps5 front or back USB port. Make sure the console is awake. Press and hold the headset power button until the white LED shows. This pairs the hardware and forces Ps5 to recognize it. You're initiating a wired connection first, because it's the quickest way to verify audio and mic routing before attempting wireless or. Now configure the Ps5 so audio and mic route through your beats. Open Settings, then Sound, and choose Audio Output. Select the wired headset or USB audio device you just connected. Next, set output to headphones to all audio so both game and chat use the Solo 4. Then move to microphone and select the USB headset as input and run a voice test. Adjust input level until voice is clear without clipping. These steps ensure correct routing and balanced levels before game. Finish by launching a game and a party chat to confirm both game audio and voice chat are working. Tweak Ps5 and in-game volumes for clarity. If you prefer wireless, unplug the USB cable, put the Solo 4 into Bluetooth pairing mode, and pair it under Ps5 accessories. Note latency may vary. If you encounter no audio or mic issues, make sure the cable is seated, try another USB port, and restart the console. This simple reset resolves most recognition problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.